Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Are you looking for best Swagbucks referral code? Well, you're in the right place because today I'm going to tell you 100% working Swagbucks referral code right now, quick and easy. That will help you to get best bonus from Swagbucks. So, without wasting any time, let's begin with this video. To get the latest Swagbucks referral code, all you need to do is just scroll down to the description box of this video. I've added a special link there just for you. Click on it, and it'll take you straight to the website where you can grab your latest and 100% working Swagbucks referral code. Once you're on the site, choose the plan that suits you the most, and then click on the Get Code button. Just one click, and you will get the referral and promo codes for Swagbucks. I am not showing you the code on the video because the referral codes used to change time to time. So, whenever you are watching this video, just go to description box link and get your latest code. All you need to do is apply it during sign up and you're all set. Don't wait. Head to the description box and claim your best Swagbucks referral code. And don't forget to like and subscribe.